Today we're going to be making a chic purse that's going to be completely from scratch with just fabric and sewing tools, and yeah, so I'm going to show you exactly how to make it. We are going to be making this bag. It is so much fun to make. I sewed everything, so you're going to learn exactly the steps of how to make it. I also sewed the straps on the inside, and I also sewed the ones on the inside for the sides, so you don't see any stitching, and it just looks super cute. It's a lot of fun, cheap little DIY. So, hope you enjoy. Okay, so the first thing you'll need to do is take your square and you're going to fold it into half, and then you're going to fold it one more time and do another half so it looks like this. So the bottom is already folded, so you won't have to sew there. And then what you're going to do is you're just going to pin the sides, both sides, and then you're just going to sew straight down. Okay, so now I've threaded my needle and I've pinned the first location where I want to pin, which is going to be on the side of the bag, right here. Okay, now that I'm done sewing the side, all I'm going to do is do the exact same thing on the other side. Now that I finished that and sewing both sides, I turned it inside out from the stitching so it looks like this. Now what I need to do, since it has all these pockets and loose stitches, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this side, I'm going to fold it inward and just sew that down. So now that I'm done stitching on both sides, it should look like this, which everything is sewn in, and it's super cute. But now, if you want, I'm going to show you how to make a strap. You're going to need 3 strands, and you're just going to braid them, and then you're going to sew them on the sides. Okay, so now that we finished our purse, what I did is I took another big piece as big as the other one. I laid it out and I drew lines to know where I'm going to cut the straps. And I did that twice, so one goes in the front and one goes in the back. So now I've got my braid started, and you just keep going over and over, but you try to make it so you don't see the outside and you only see the pink. Just like this. And you just keep doing that. Okay, so I just finished the strap and sewed it on, and this is the final product. Everything is sewed together,